Hello, Jackie here with JNM Reviews, and today I am so happy to review this free sample provided by 5minskin. So it is great. This is the machine. I plug it in, and I turn it on with this button here. Also, from here you're going to select the different levels from 1 to 5. I have it here in a 2 just for a beginner review. Also, when you're using it, you want to use protection. You want to do this and don't look at the light directly. So it comes with the glasses, and it also comes with a razor. So the razor you want to shave and exfoliate if possible before using the machine, depending on the area that you want to treat, armpits, legs. So use this and exfoliate if you can. And then after that, you're ready to use the machine. So after using the machine, also you can put some aloe or some refreshing lotion to your skin. Just take care of your skin while doing this. It comes here with a chart of hair-free Innate wigs. So this is pretty good because it keeps your progress, which is what you want to do. And then also here it comes with the different skin tones and different hair colors that is compatible with. So let's say that I want to demonstrate it here really quick. I want to put my my glasses, and if I'm ready to use it, all I have to do is put my skin here and just press here. So as you can see, it works. You can use it in automatically or manually, and I just love it. I love the results. It does work. I hope you give it a try, and thank you for watching.